So we know the area. We know area equals to length times breadth, or length times width is the same thing as breadth, right? All right, which is 120. We also know that the perimeter is 2 times the product, the sum of length and width, and we're told that that is 46. Okay, so from this perimeter, if we divide both sides by 2, we divide this by 2, that will give us the length, the sum, right? So this would be 23. 2 in 4 is 2, 2 in 3, 6 is 3. Okay, so the length and the width plus the width is 23. And then we also know that the length times the width equals to 120. So this is it. You could solve this simultaneously if you know you're good with simultaneous equation or good knowledge of algebra. You can make L the subject and then substitute it into the other one. Okay, but that's not what we're going to do. We assume that we are not at that level yet. Okay, so what do? We know that length plus width is 23, and we also know that length times width is 120. So let's start with the 120. So we're looking for two numbers that would multiply to give us 120, and we also add up to 23. So let's look at the factor pairs of 120, and then we check which of those factor pair adds up to 23. Okay, so by factor pair we means two numbers that multiply, right? So this is the first one, right? Okay, I won't bother writing the answer. That's the first one. And the second one will be 2 times 60, right? 3 is also a factor, but 3 times what is 120? That's 3 times 40. Remember, we're looking for the pair that will add together to give us 23. Like we do 3 plus 40, and we have, okay, here 2 plus 60 is 62. We are looking for 23. 1 plus 120 is 121. We are looking for 23. So let's go. After 3, 4 is also a factor, so we don't need to write that because it's the same thing. But let me just write 4 times 30, that's 34, right? 5 is also a factor. 5 times what is 120? 5 in 12 is 2. And 5 in 20 is 4. So that's 5 times 24. Okay. 6 is also a factor. All right. So 6 times 20. 7 is not a factor, right? But 8 is. 8 times 15, right? Yeah, 8 times 15. All right. But let's add up. We stopped at 4. 4 plus 30 is 34. 5 plus 24, that's 29, not 23. 6 plus 20, that's 26. We're looking for 23. 8 plus 15, that's 23. All right, that's it. 15 and 8 equals 120. And then 15 plus 8 equals 23. Good. Easy peasy, right? So that means the length is 15 centimeters and the width is 8 centimeters. Go over the video again, and if you have any question, remember, you can ask.